Brides might be wondering what the stylist here at Anomalie does, and I'm here to tell you exactly what that is. Each bride is matched with a personal stylist where you'll review your sketch together. After our brides create their sketch, we'll go ahead and review the sketch top to bottom, front to back. Whether you'd like to make a few tweaks, want to change the whole thing, or don't want to change anything at all, your stylist is there to guide you. She'll be able to give suggestions in terms of lace, fabric, beading, or any other embellishments. And she's really there to be your sounding board.
Oh, that's pretty.
Not my jam. Yeah, I really like that one.
As a stylist, we're here to answer any questions about the process as you have, and we really love getting to know each of our brides. Be sure to schedule your call with your stylist and design your dream dress with us.